Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss about power amplifier and all their types. So if you are new to our channel, don't miss to subscribe for our YouTube channel for more engineering related topics. So in power amplifiers, there will be four types. Let's discuss them. So what are power amplifiers? So power amplifiers are the amplifiers with high output power. With high output power, they will be having more output power. This output, what they will produce, the output may be in the form of voltage or current. You can give the input of voltage or current and get output as voltage or current. Now let's see where these power amplifiers are used, that is their applications. If we see their applications, majorly they are used in the loudspeakers to amplify the noise. That is, if you speak in the mic, we will get the amplified wave in the loudspeaker so that many people can hear. Next, set-top box, which will be connected to the television. Next, another important thing in this power amplifier is it will be having low output resistance. Due to this low output resistance, they will provide high output power. Due to low output resistance, they will produce high output power. So let's discuss the classifications of power amplifier. There are majorly four types of power amplifiers. First one is class A amplifier. Next, second one is class B amplifier. Third one is class AB amplifier. Next, fourth and finally is class C amplifier. So during every classifications of power amplifier, we must define what the progress will be. That is, if you give this input, then what the output will be, then how much degree of conduction will take place, and where the transistor will be during this conduction, and the efficiency of each of the classification. Let's discuss these 4 points. So when you give this waveform as an input, it may be of voltage input or current input. When you give this input, it will be considering both positive and negative half cycle, negative half cycle, positive half cycle, like this. So this class A amplifier will conduct in 360 degree. So it will conduct in 360 degree. Therefore 360 degree conduction you can write. So 360 degree conduction means it will rectify both positive, that is amplify both positive and negative half cycle. That is, it will increases the each half cycle's amplitude. That is, height will be increased. So plus, minus, plus. If this is the V maximum right here, so it will extend. That is, it will go to the more value. It will be amplified. So 360 degree conduction. During this 360 degree conduction, transistor must be in the active region. So to do the conduction, that is to amplify the given input signal, we must need the transistor to be in the active region. Now, since there is 360 degree conduction in class A amplifiers, the transistor will be in active region for both positive half cycle and negative half cycle. If we include both positive and negative half cycle of the given input wave, it will be 360 degree. So in 360 degree conduction also, transistor will be in active region, no? Therefore it will be in the full cycle. Next, if we discuss about the efficiency of the class A amplifier, it will be between 25 to 50% of the efficiency. This like only, let's discuss about the output waveform, conduction, transistor and the efficiency of other three amplifiers. So class B amplifier. So in class B amplifier also we can give voltage or current inputs. So positive half cycle, negative half cycle, positive half cycle. So if we give input to the class B amplifier, so it will conduct in 180 degree. So 180 degree conduction. So 180 degree conduction means it will only amplify the positive half cycle and nullify the negative half cycle. It will amplify the positive half cycle, nullify the negative half cycle. So the transistor which must be in the active region will be in the active region only for the positive half cycle. So the transistor in class B power amplifiers will be in active region only for positive half cycle. Positive half cycle of the given input wave. In negative half cycle it will be 0. Therefore the transistor will not be in the active region. So if we discuss about the efficiency of the class B amplifier, it will be around 78.25%. Next, class AB amplifier. In class AB amplifier, it is the combination of class A and class B. That is, its conduction will be in between class A and class B. That is, class B conduction is 180 degree, class A conduction is 360 degree. So in between means more than 180 degree conduction but less than 360 degree conduction. So the conduction of the class AB amplifier will be more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So if this is pi, 2 pi and 3 pi, pi means 180 degree. So more than 180 degree conduction means little more than that but less than 360 degree. 360 degree means 2 pi. So again it will start more than 180 degree and then it will stop. So it will only rectify in the positive half cycle with more than 180 degree conduction and less than 360 degree conduction. So the transistor right here, transistor will be completely in the active region for full positive half cycle, and half of negative half cycle, So therefore more than 180 degree conduction and less than 360 degree conduction. Next, if we discuss about the efficiency of the class B amplifier, it will be in between class A and class B. That is, efficiency is between 78.25 and 50%. More than 50% efficiency but less than 78.25% efficiency. Next, the last one is class C. So class C has the more efficiency among class A, class B, class AB and class C, because it will only amplify less than 180 degree conduction. Due to this less than 180 degree conduction, the transistor will be in active region. Only for positive half cycle. That is, if we give both positive and negative half cycle as an input to the class C power amplifier, it will only amplify the positive half cycles, that too less than 180 degree. So pi means 180 degree. It will conduct less than 180 degree like this. So and only rectify positive half cycle, it will not rectify the negative half cycle like this. So if we discuss about the efficiency of the class C amplifier, I said it is more than all the other power amplifier, that is more than 90%. So the efficiency of the class C amplifier is more than 90%. We discussed about the class AB amplifier, that is between 50% and 78%, but class C is more than 90% of the efficiency, and it will work only in the positive half cycles, not in the negative half cycles, because it will conduct less than 180 degree. So hope you understood the concept of power amplifiers. If you have any doubt, please comment below. If you understood the video, Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.